The 4th Gorkha Rifles, a proud regiment of the Indian Army, was formed in 1857 and has since carved a legacy of bravery and honor. Hailing from the rugged hills, the soldiers embody the spirit of the Gorkha community, renowned for their resilience and valor. Armed with the iconic kukri, a symbol of our fierce heritage, the regiment stands ready to defend our nation. The motto and war cry resonate with the same pride as our fellow Gorkha regiments. Kindly watch our video of 1st Gorkha Rifles for knowing both. The colonel of the regiment serves as the ceremonial head, while the regimental center is proudly located with the 1st Gorkha Rifles in Sabathu. The 4th Gorkha Rifles continues to uphold its rich traditions and battle honors. Subscribe for more.